I think in my time as NSC, that office was very, everything I've talked about now, we try to, it takes over. For instance, the crisis management system. Nigeria is the only vibrant country I know where you don't have a crisis management system. People talk about COPRA, carelessly, COPRA. COPRA is cabinet of this briefing room, where the president and others sit down whenever there's a crisis. If somebody is kidnapped, it goes to that system. And we have a crisis management system so that people can be responsible. So, as a legacy, I think insecurity is difficult for you to overnight produce a legacy. If what I was working in was pursued, I believe it was a legacy. For instance, counterterrorism strategy. 2 weeks before I left, we had a counterterrorism strategy ready. And so the next thing we do is to, there was the advisor on counterterrorism actually presented it at a seminar about a month before. But the thing is, to get the Nigeria to know that this is how we can address the problems. And I believe so strongly in planning and strategies. But if you don't plan, and if you begin to fight every problem like fire brigade, you cannot succeed. So put the plans in place and see where the plans will go. Have implementation strategies. And if you have to go to the NSS office today, you know that access. But who will tell you that this man worked on so many things that you don't have happened at the time. Because you can't go to, like I said, you can't go to the office today to give you, you're no more there. And say,